Meaning of flock.
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 Flock. Flock can refer to a group of birds or other animals that are moving or resting together. Alternatively, it can refer to a group of people who share a common interest or attribute and tend to spend time together. The result of a flock can vary depending on the context. In the case of a bird flock, it can be a beautiful and awe-inspiring sight, while a human flock may provide a sense of belonging and community. However, flocks can also lead to conformity and groupthink, which can have negative consequences.